Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the most powerful object in our solar system, the Sun. It may look calm from Earth, but the Sun is actually a massive ball of superheated plasma constantly exploding with unimaginable energy. Every single second, it releases more power than humanity has produced in its entire history. Without the Sun, there would be no life, no weather, no oceans, and no time as we know it. Yet, despite being one of the closest stars to us, the Sun still holds many shocking mysteries scientists are trying to uncover. The Sun is absolutely gigantic. It contains more than 99% of the total mass of our entire solar system. To give you an idea of its scale, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it, with room to spare. The Sun formed about 4.6 billion years ago and is currently in the stable middle stage of its life cycle, known as the main sequence. Deep in its core, temperatures soar to around 15 million degrees Celsius, where hydrogen atoms are smashed together to create helium. This process, called nuclear fusion, releases enormous amounts of energy and is the reason the Sun shines and keeps Earth warm and habitable. Sunlight itself takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel across the vast distance between the Sun and Earth. That means when you look at sunlight, you're actually seeing the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago. Even from 150 million kilometers away, the Sun's power is enough to control Earth's climate, seasons, and weather systems. Just a tiny change in the Sun's energy output can shift global temperatures, affect agriculture, and reshape life on our planet. But the Sun is not always peaceful. It regularly releases solar flares, sudden bursts of radiation, and coronal mass ejections, which are gigantic eruptions that blast charged particles across the solar system. When a powerful solar storm hits Earth, it can damage satellites, disrupt GPS signals, interfere with radio communications, and even knock out power grids. One of the most famous events was the 1859 Carrington event, which caused telegraph systems to fail and produce sparks worldwide. Scientists warn that if a similar storm happened today, it could cause widespread technological chaos costing trillions of dollars. The Sun won't burn forever. In roughly 5 billion years, it will run out of hydrogen fuel and expand into a red giant so enormous it may swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. After shading its outer layers, it will eventually shrink into a white dwarf, the final stage of its stellar life. Studying the Sun allows scientists to understand how stars form, evolve, and die, and also helps us predict space weather that affects our modern technology. The Sun may just look like a glowing ball in the sky, but it's the reason life exists on Earth and the driving force behind everything from photosynthesis to ocean currents. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing Sun facts, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing space and science content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.